See the latitudinal stretch of India from north to south. Now see the longitudinal stretch from east to west. In next module, we will also discuss the time lag between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. This is just because of the latitudinal extension. So first we will discuss about latitude and longitudes. After latitude, longitude, we will read about location and size. India in the world. India is situated in the southern part of Asia at the head of the Indian Ocean. India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. You can see that the Tropic of Cancer passes through India, dividing the country into almost two equal parts. Note the names of the states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. The country lies wholly in the tropical and the subtropical zones of the northern hemisphere. Kanyakumari is situated at the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. This point is only 8 degrees north of the equator. However, it is not the southernmost point of India. Indira Point is the southernmost point of India. 82 degree 30 minutes longitude is taken as the standard meridian of India. Now we will discuss one by one in detail. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to the making of world history. What is the total landmass area of India? The total landmass of area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. And what percent of the world's land area is with India? Answer is 2.42%. See on the screen. If you compare with India, 6 countries of the world bigger than India. Name of the 6 countries. Firstly, Russia is the largest country of the world. Then Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia. Then last, India. It means India is the 7th largest country of the world. For learning purpose, you can learn like this. R means Russia, then cook, C means Canada, U means USA, again C means China. R cook, Russia, Canada, USA, China. Then buy, BAI, B Brazil, A Australia, I India. It means for only for learning purpose. R cook, buy. R Russia, C Canada, U USA, C China, then by B Brazil, Australia, and last India. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north, it is bound by the lofty Himalayas, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. India is located in the northern hemisphere. How India is located in the northern hemisphere? Now see on the screen. Black line is the equator, 0 degree equator. It means above the equator, it is the northern hemisphere, and below the equator, it is in the southern hemisphere. Now see 0 degree prime meridian in the center. It means 0 degree prime meridian in the center, east side eastern hemisphere, west side western hemisphere. Now, related to this, in which hemisphere does India lie? Answer is northeast. How northeast means northern eastern hemisphere. Again noteworthy point is in which hemisphere does India lie with reference to the equator? Then answer is the northern hemisphere. And the next seem like this: in which hemisphere does India lie with reference to the prime meridian? And now answer is eastern hemisphere. India is a vast country. It is marked by a diversity of physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts, and islands. The length of the land boundary of India is about 15,200 kilometers. The Indian Ocean divided into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. The total length of the coastline of the mainland of India, including its islands, around 7,506 kilometers, including islands. Islands means Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Now related to these questions, name the island group of India lying in the Arabian Sea. Answer is the Lakshadweep Island. Name the island group of India lying in the Bay of Bengal. Answer is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next, which island group of India lies to its southwest? Answer is Lakshadweep Island. The southernmost point of the Indian Union is Indira Point. Is it visible today? No. Indira Point got submerged under the seawater in 2004 during the tsunami. Now related to this, which is the southernmost point of the Indian Union? Answer is the Indira Point. Now the stretch of India. The north-south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 kilometers. And the east-west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2,900 kilometers. Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch means Gujarat. Now, what is the north-south and the east-west distance of India? North-south about 3,214 kilometers and east to west approximately 2,933 kilometers. See on the screen. How is the latitudinal spread in India advantageous to her? The Indian Union is situated between about 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. This north-south extent is about 3,200 kilometers in length. The southern part of India gets more heat from the sun than the northern parts. The difference between the duration of the day and night is far more in the northern parts than in the southern parts. Due to great longitudinal extent of about 29 degrees, there could be a wide differences in local time of places located at two extreme points of India. As such, the difference between these 2 points would be of about 2 hours. As you have learnt earlier, the local time changes by 4 minutes for every 1 degree of longitude. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Why? The sun rises about 2 hours earlier in the east, Arunachal Pradesh means, then in the west means Gujarat.